Household debt poses a serious risk to the Korean economy. Advanced economies have shown for the past 130 years that an excessive growth of private loans leads to longer and more severe recessions. The significance of financial stability has become widely recognized since the global financial crisis and has led many countries to strengthen their macroprudential management to avoid excessive loan taking. After the global financial crisis, the majority of OECD countries adjusted their household debt ratios. In Korea, however, household debt has doubled in size despite the countless warnings and government actions, and the risks are snowballing. So, why have past policies failed to contain the situation? Macroprudential policies can enhance social welfare through financial stability, but this requires a long-term effort. And because the policy restricts excessive amount of loans to reduce the risk of financial instability, it is difficult to gain public support during recessionary periods when production and employment are low. They also generate resistance from interest groups due to their impact on the loan and real estate markets. It may be theoretically shown that the more policymakers are fixated on the short-term outcomes, the more likely they are to choose stimulus packages that entail excessive debt, despite their concerns over financial instability. On the other hand, those who prioritize long-term gains will select macroprudential policies that sustain financial stability rather than short-term stimulation of the domestic demand. The pursuit of short-term gains is exacerbated by Korea's short election cycles, with important elections occurring every 1 to 2 years. In fact, after the global financial crisis, decision-makers ignored the warning signs about the state of household loans and adopted not only monetary and fiscal policies, but also stimulus measures that would ease loan regulations in the hope of reviving the economy in 2014. Given the high preference for short-term results, it will be difficult to effectively pursue macroprudential policies to achieve financial stability.
거식 원전성 관리 체계를 개선하기 위해서는 정책 결정의 시계가 짧아지는 것을 막도록 필요한 제도적 장치를 마련하는 방향으로 나아가야 합니다. 중앙은행이 거식 원전성 정책을 수행하는 영국의 경우 독립성이 제도적으로 보장되기 때문에 정치적인 이유로 단기 성과를 추구하는 경향이 차단되고, 호주나 캐나다에서는 중앙은행이 아닌 별도의 금융감독기관에서 거식 원전성 정책을 수행하기에 정책 결정 과정의 개방성과 투명성이 강조됩니다. 이런 점을 참고해 우리나라에서도 거식 원전성 정책을 수행하는 기관의 독립성과 책임성을 강화해야 하는데요. 이를 위해서 의사결정권자의 법적 재임 기간을 보장하거나 상위 결정권자가 장기적인 정책 성과를 중시하도록 평가 보상 제도를 도입하는 방법을 고려할 수 있습니다.